Very beautiful morning, all of you. Today we will see the next chapter. It's a tenses and their uses 2, and here it's all past tense, simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. Let's see the first past tense, simple past tense. Here the subject plus past verb means V2. We need V2 means past verb. Okay, second form of the verb. So he killed. Kill, it is our kill, present, killed and killed, past and past perfect. So kill, past participle. Killed the snake with a stone. I saw team in the market yesterday. Our team won the match by 2 goals. This is the simple past tense statements. Okay, now what should we do if we want to make an interrogative? So D subject present form of the verb. So we have to use D, and while we are using D, we have to use the first form of the verb. Visited का visit हो जाएगा. अगर हमारा past sentence होता तो he visited you last week. और हम जब question करते हैं तब did he visit you last week? Did you come yesterday? Did he meet you yesterday? You came yesterday, so did you come? They met you yesterday, so did they meet you yesterday? Now negative sentences, we have to just put the not after the helping verb did. So I did not break your slate. You did not come late yesterday. She did not go to school yesterday. Then interrogative negative. He not break your slate? Did she not come here yesterday? And did you not see a film last night? Now the main part of this chapter is use of simple past tense. The first, to indicate past action. Okay, or action that is complete. जब भी हमको स्टोरी सुनाते हैं, है ना, पास्ट की हो, तब हम सिंपल पास्ट टेंस यूज करते हैं नैरेट करने के लिए. ओके, उसको नैरेट करने के लिए, उसको डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए, और हम किसी को बोलते हैं तब वी यूज अ सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. ओके, so like the simple past tense is normally used when we talk about events, actions, situations which is occurred in the past and are now finished. When we use the simple past, we are not concerned with the duration of the time. Okay, duration of the time we are not concerned. So this tense is used in the following ways, like to narrate the events, action or situation which may have happened recently. Else, I bought a car 1 month ago. 5 years ago, I left this college, and she left our house only an hour ago. Okay, so now here B, to narrate the events, action or situation which may have happened in the distant past. Ashoka was a great king. The Mongols invaded China many times. Okay, to narrate the events, action or situation which may have happened distant past. Okay, अगर हमें गांधी जी के बारे में बोलना हो जब वो अभी मौजूद नहीं है, तो गांधी जी was a great leader. Simple past tense यूज करते हैं. Okay, now the C is to narrate the events, action or situation which may have happened in the past and the time reference given. The PM simple past use करते. I received your letter yesterday. They left for Singapore last night and it rained yesterday. Not an adverb or adverb phrase or past like yesterday, last month, 10 days back ago, etc. is generally added a sentence describing past action. Okay, these all the rules we have already known about it. Okay, now the D, to narrate the events, action or situation which may have happened at a definite time, but the time is not mentioned explicitly. Okay, मतलब कि टाइम दिया गया नहीं है, लेकिन हमें टाइम के बारे में सेंटेंस पढ़ के पता चल जाता है. वैसे लाइक आई बॉट दिस पेन फ्रॉम मुंबई. सो मैं मुंबई था तब मैंने पेन खरीदी थी, इसका मतलब ये हो गया. When I was there, So when I was then this morning, I never met my grandfather. So he is dead now. मैंने कभी भी मेरे ग्रैंडफादर को नहीं देखा, तो इट्स हमें टाइम पीरियड पता चल गया, तभी भी हम ही सिंपल पास्ट टेंस यूज करते हैं. नाउ हियर द टाइम रेफरेंस इज अंडरस्टूड फ्रॉम द कॉन्टेक्स्ट. यहाँ पे हमें टाइम रेफरेंस पता चल जाता है, तभी भी हम सिंपल पास्ट टेंस यूज करते हैं. Now, second, to talk about an activity that took place regularly or repeatedly in the past, but which no longer occurs, we use the simple past. Like Pandit Nehru paid a visit to Manali every year. जब simple present tense के अंदर भी हम repeated action, I go to the temple every day, okay, but it is a present tense. जब कोई व्यक्ति मौजूद नहीं है, वो जिंदा नहीं है, और वो कोई चीज़ रिपीटेडली वो करता था, वैसा हर रोज वो करता था. सो फॉर दैट टाइम वी यूज अ सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. ओके, जब लाइक मेरे ग्रैंडफादर जब जिंदा थे तब वो हर संडे को मंदिर जाते थे. सो माय ग्रैंडफादर विजिटेड द मुंबई टेम्पल एवरी संडे. ओके, सो सिंपल प्रेजेंट के जैसे, लेकिन ये सब एक्शन ऑलरेडी गेट कंप्लीटेड, इट इज नॉट occurring now. So she went to the golden temple daily to offer prayers. वो जाती थी हर रोज golden temple में prayer करने के लिए. So he always went to the same park every morning. Okay. Now we can also use, notice that we can also use the expression used to plus verb in place of the simple past tense in order to express actions which were habits or continuing state of things in the past, especially when the time is not clearly indicated. हम used to use करके भी past tense simple past tense. My father used to go for a walk in the morning. Gandhiji used to spin the charkha every day, and I used to visit the Hanuman temple regularly in my childhood days. It must be borne in mind, हमें याद रखना चाहिए कि that used to does not have the present tense form. Used to, हम used to ऐसा नहीं लिख सकते हैं. Okay, हम used to ऐसा कभी भी नहीं लिख सकते. Okay, so now number third, to describe an action or event which occupied a period of time in the past, which is now ending. Okay, like she slept for 3 hours. 3 घंटे के लिए वो सोई थी, अभी वो नहीं सो रही है, तो simple past tense is not sleeping now. He lived in Kolkata for 5 years. 5 सालों तक वो कोलकाता रहा था. He taught at the university for 4 years. 4 साल तक वो कोलकाता यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ाता था. So does not teach now, is no longer living here now, and is not living now. Number 4. To express an event which occurred at a particular point in the past. So here, he returned from Mumbai on last Monday. The poor old woman crossed the road carefully. So here, to express an event which occurred in a particular point of the time. Okay. So he returned from Mumbai on last Monday, and the poor old woman crossed the road very carefully. जब हम कुछ express the event which occurred at a particular point in the past, ऐसे जब घटना बनती है तो हम simple past tense use करते हैं. Now it is new for us to polite enquiries. Enquiries के लिए हम जब politely use करते हैं तब हम simple past tense use करते हैं, है ना? Would you like to give me your book? ऐसा हम बोलते हैं. So the simple past tense does not always refer to the past time. It can also be used with polite enquiries, particularly asking for favors, often with verbs like hope, think, or wonder. As I wonder if you would lend me that magazine, and I wonder if you would lend me that magazine. More polite. Okay, so polite would, could. Okay, will, would, can, could. So this simple past tense we use for the more polite. Okay, now let's see the exercise of this. Fill in the blanks with the simple past form of the verbs in the brackets. So first, the meeting dash after the president had arrived. So started. We have to just put the helping. V2. Okay, for the first exercise. The second, rewrite the following sentences with the simple past tense. So mother buys grocery from the supermarket. So mother bought grocery from the supermarket. Okay. So the space is not given here. So this exercise number 2 you will have to write in your notebook. Okay. Now the fill in the blanks with the simple past or the present perfect. The two tenses are used in this. Okay, present perfect, a recently completed action. Then action was already completed in the past one. So both the tenses are mixed here. So we have to use the simple past and present perfect. I dash not here and from you seen last July. So I have not hear from you seen last July. है ना, मैंने अभी तक उधर नहीं सुना last July तक. So just careful about it. These are the mixed exercise of simple past tense and present perfect tense. Okay, so here it is enough for today. Okay, it is your homework, exercise number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, do it in your second exercise, do it in your notebook. Okay, and for this write in your textbook. Thank you very much and have a good day.